Hello there, my tubes. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. So I'm following up with you guys today regarding the Nature Choice hair vitamins. This is the website that I purchased it from. Today, currently, they are running a sale. Today is February 6th. Just in case any of you guys are wondering, this video will probably come up later. This is the supplement fats, just in case any of you guys are wondering. Also, this vitamin consists of biotin, vitamin A, and folic acid. So let's jump off into this 1 week update. But before we do, let me just say welcome. If you're new here, click that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and please support me and give me a great big thumbs up. So I've only had these braids for just as long as I've been taking this supplement. So this kind of gives you guys truly a 1 week update here. So I'm so proud and so happy to see that we're making some progress, okay? And I'm hoping that we see more progress as I continue to take these supplements. This supplement is a 30-day supply. I only take 2 of these supplements per day, so we'll just see how it plays out. By the way, if you don't follow me on the IG, please, you guys saw my information, go ahead and follow me there. This concludes today's video. I'll see you guys in the next week. Smooches. Mwah.